We will demonstrate infrared control car in this video. Open power switch on expansion board. RGB light is white. Press K1 button. RGB light will become red. Indicates that it has switched to infrared remote control mode. After the RGB light goes out, we can use the infrared remote control to control the car. Press up button to control car go ahead. Press down button to control car back. Press right button to control car right pan. Press right button to control car left pan. Press spin right button to control car spin right. Press spin left button to control car spin left. Light button can control RGB light to switch different colors.